Welcome guys in this beautiful video. So I will be teaching you about market reversals, understanding how and when the market changes direction from being an uptrend into becoming a downtrend. So basically what is happening in the market, it's either the market is moving up or down, or it is moving sideways. And the most important thing that we're looking for as traders, it is trends. So we are looking basically for downtrends and uptrends. So it is important for us to know when and how the market reverses. So the basic thing that you need to identify as a trader, firstly, that is to identify the trend. For an example, you can see here that the market has been moving in an uptrend because we see a sequence of higher highs and higher lows. So that's why we say it's an uptrend, because there is a sequence of higher highs and higher lows. So basically that's the main thing, or the core thing that makes up an uptrend. So if we don't have the higher highs and the higher lows, it means that that's not an uptrend. So even what I want to teach you today, it revolves under this pattern. So same thing applies with a downtrend. We have lower highs and lower lows, and if we do not have these two, it means that it's not a downtrend. So basically, if you can form your core analysis between these two rules, that if I don't have a higher high and a higher low, it means that it's not an uptrend, and if I don't have a sequence of lower highs and lower lows, it means that it's not a downtrend. For an example, if you can pay attention into what is happening here, we can see that the market has been moving with a sequence of corrective impulsive waves, but then here what began to happen here, we've seen the market with an impulsive wave and then a small corrective. Again, it tried to impulse, and we can see that now those who know from my momentum tutorials, we can see that now the strength of the buyers have been limited. Why? Because they couldn't beat their previous record or their previous impulsive wave. So they pushed a little bit compared to last time. So this is a signal, or this is a sign that something might be coming in the near future. And then now looking at this corrective wave, or looking at the market correcting with this manner, and we can see that this corrective wave compared to this impulsive, the corrective is bigger. And if the corrective is bigger than the impulsive, then it means that be ready for a reversal. Be ready for a reversal. So we can see now that this corrective became bigger than the previous impulsive. So it means that the sellers, they are coming in. And now looking again at here, we can see that there is no motivation, as we can see that they started going up, and then all of a sudden the sellers collapsed or pushed the market down. And looking at this low, we can see that this low is almost lower than the previous one. So remember, an uptrend, the sequence of higher highs and high lows. So if we see this, a low being lower than the previous low, it means that no, something is not working well. Something is not working well. We should be careful. And again, what you should know is that for the fact that we've seen a lower low, it doesn't mean that now we should sell. It means that we should wait for another confirmation, which is now gonna be a lower high, which is what we received here. So we have a lower low and a lower high, which complete, or which initialize a downtrend, because remember, a downtrend is a sequence of lower lows and lower highs. So for the fact that we've seen these two, it means that it can be a beginning of a downtrend. So that why this breakout can be a good signal for an entry in terms of markets going down. So that's basically how we should be spotting reversals. Spot the patterns and spot the sequence. Is there lower lows and lower highs, or higher highs and higher lows? So once you are able to identify that, it's just simple, and then you'll be able to see if the market is gonna reverse or the market is still gonna continue with its initial move. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.